All right, there is more breaking news coming in. The Supreme Court has issued 4 directions in the Aadhar matter. The central government must publicize widely through television and radio advertisements that Aadhar is not mandatory to avail benefits. Aadhar can be linked to schemes for public distribution system like kerosene, food grains and LPG. Information with UIDAI not to be used for any other purposes other than by a court order. The top court gives the above direction in view of Attorney General's assurance that biometric information of an individual is not shared with any other authority for other purposes. We have Anusha Soni joining me from the Supreme Court on the phone line. Anusha, just decode for us what this really means, what has happened in the Supreme Court over the Aadhar card today.
Well, as you rightly already mentioned, the 4 directions that the Supreme Court has issued. What this effectively means is that, one, this is a relief for the government. This is a relief for the government because the enrollments in the Aadhar can continue. This is an ambitious project that the government had laid out of its own sort. And the public interest litigation had in fact thought that the enrollments of the Aadhar should stop at this point. The Supreme Court disagreed with that and said that no, for now, we allow the enrollments to continue. So that is a breather for the government. The second thing is, this is also a sort of an experiment and a new thing going on in the country to link the subsidy with a bank account and the Aadhar card and the biometric details. Now, the Supreme Court has said, don't make it mandatory. You can continue to link it for the essential services like the public distribution system. So, of course, this is a major relief coming in for the government because these broad points of whether linking it with LPG or subsidy, whether continuing the enrollments were a point of contention and a legal battle for a very long time. Just a small point to add to the perspective, today morning the Supreme Court has referred the fundamental right of privacy also to a constitutional bench. This right of privacy was a matter which is linked to Aadhar. This is the entire contention on Aadhar, that it infringes the right to privacy of an individual.
All right, we'll keep coming back to you for more. Thanks for joining us with that latest information.